In this next part of the playlist, you are going to type a message to me down below. When you see where it says Elaborate Part 1 or Part 2 or Part 3, you are first going to scroll down and read the scenario. For example, scenario number 1 reads, Sarah goes to the store to buy a new hairbrush. What properties or qualities must the brush have in order to work correctly? I want you to think, what are the properties that a good hairbrush would have? What is the texture of a good hairbrush? How does it feel? Is it hard or is it soft? How flexible is a good hairbrush? What maybe is the shape of a good hairbrush? How much should it weigh? Should it be heavy or light? Think about the properties or the qualities a good hairbrush must have in order for you to want to buy it. You will then go down here where it says Start New Thread, and you will click this button in order to tell me what you're thinking. In the top, you will write a title. You can name your title anything that is school appropriate and relates to the science lesson. Down below is where you can either type, and you will type to me and explain your thinking. You can also write in your science notebook, and you can always upload a picture of what you wrote. You can use a voice recording by clicking on the audio icon, and you can tell me the qualities that a good hairbrush would have. Or you can record a video where you can show me your writing, or you can just talk to me and tell me what you think the qualities of a good hairbrush are. You will then click Save when you are done. After you have clicked on the Save button, here, I'm waiting for it to let me go back. Once you have clicked on the Save button, if you scroll back down, your thread or your post should be located at the bottom. Once you see that your post has been successfully sent and uploaded, you will then move on to the next page in the playlist.